Díochaíomh, it's Misha Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish. And today, let's learn the Irish for ice cream. Uachtar roh-cheh. Uachtar roh-cheh. Uachtar roh-cheh. Uachtar is cream and roh-cheh means frozen. So literally, frozen cream. Now let's put that in a sentence. Let's say I like ice cream. Is liom uachtar roh-cheh. Is liom uachtar roh-cheh. Is liom uachtar roh-cheh. Is liom uachtar roh-cheh. You can learn more Irish by taking the Bite Size Irish free trial at www.bitesize.irish. Slán go bhfuilín.